Hello and welcome to your 2-minute tech briefing from Computer World. I'm your host Arnold Davik, reporting from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Here are the top IT stories you need to know for Wednesday, March 11th. From Network World, AWS customers in the Middle East are still recovering after drone attacks hit AWS data centers on March 1st, affecting sites in the UAE and Bahrain. Those customers who haven't already implemented comprehensive DR responses need to activate their plans immediately, advised the CEO of Lastech. They are also advised to move workloads to other regions and redirect traffic. Experts say this outage exposed a major weakness. Many DR plans assume local technical failures, not region-wide geopolitical events. From Computer World, Google is changing how Chrome updates roll out. Beginning in September, the browser will receive a new release every 2 weeks. According to the company, the rationale for the faster 2-week cycle is to enable faster delivery of performance improvements, bug fixes, security updates, and new features to both users and developers. The change will allow the company to keep each update smaller to reduce problems and make troubleshooting easier. And from CIO, BMW is bringing AI-powered humanoid robots into factory operations at one of its plants in Germany. The robot is Hexagon Robotics Eon model. With 22 sensors and 34 degrees of freedom, Eon can not only manipulate components, but also perform highly precise quality checks on vehicle doors using integrated scanners. It also independently replaces its battery in under 30 seconds to remain operational without lengthy charging interruptions. The robot will be used for battery assembly and component manufacturing. For more enterprise tech news, visit Computer World, CIO, Network World, and CSO online. And don't forget to like and subscribe on the Tech Talk YouTube channel.